So today I will play Duty Force. So this day I will show you how to repair your car without even purchasing. So let's find out. Alright, first I have to find the car. Where did it go? But make sure you have to find a car that is colorful, that can change colors. Shut up, slow down your music. Alright. Where is it? Wait, let me make my run fast. Dude, bolt. Okay, let's go! Oh, slip. I was so scared. Okay, make sure to find a car that is able to change color, like this Mustang. Is it mustache? I mean, mustache. Mustache. Yeah, it's mustache. Instead of Mustang, it said mustache. Oh no, it's like, okay. No, it's like again, this is all my FPS fault. And then make your car damage. Okay, as you can see, the car damage. So I'm about to go to the auto service. Ooh, dodge that. See? Ouch. Well, the doors has very serious issues. Whoa, there's a vent, Whee! Okay, I'm in the garage. All you have to do is, first you have to enter the garage, and after that, press color. And then go to the previous color or next color, everything you want. Until this happens, the car is repaired. Wow, that was incredible. Wow, your car is fully repaired without even purchasing, except the door. Hold on, let me take it out. Let me out. Oh, come on, why is the car not? My car has issues. This is all the door's fault. Wait, let me take it out. Okay, let me take it out. Why does it take them off? Wait, hold on. See? The door doesn't take it off. Okay, finally. Ready? Oh no. Okay. Finally. And so that's how you repair your car without even purchasing. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.